Assalamu alaikum student. Again I am here. How are you students? I hope all are doing their studies properly. They are preparing themselves for the coming exams, right? So student, this is my video. We are going to upload it soon for the practice set 3.6. Okay? Shall we start this practice set 3.6? Okay. In 3.6 we had to find the factor of a given polynomial. The factor we had to find. We had to find the factors, means x plus 2, x minus 2, 2x minus 3, whatever the factor we are going to come. Okay. So this sum you already have learned in the 8th standard or previous standard, you can say. Okay. So just it is one type of revision you can say we are doing here. Okay. Shall we start? Be concentrate. हाँ बेटा student. चलिए. Now in that see, you have to make like this column, this type of things you have to go. You draw with the scale and pencil. Okay. Properly like this. Okay. Here I will write the product of first term and last term. Okay, what I am going to write? I am going to write the product of the question first term to the last term. Okay, and here I will going to write the middle term. What the polynomial middle term is there, I should write it. Okay. See, first term 2x square and minus 1. In दोनों का product means we have to multiply. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 minus 2. X square into 1, so I will get 2x square. I will get here 2x square. Right student? And middle term I have plus x. Don't forget to take the sign also. Middle term की जो sign है वो आपको लिखनी रहेगी. You should write the sign because when we will going to take these two numbers, so that time also we have to put the sign. So we have to concentrate on the middle term sign. Most important, we have to concentrate on the middle term sign. Understood? ठीक है? आगे I will explain you in future that what we have to take. Okay? Now in that you have 3 steps. First step, you should take the number. Second, you have to put the variable, and third, you have to put the sign. Okay? See student, you know very well when I want to add. जब मुझे कोई भी चीज को ऐड करना है, so I have two signs. That sign is plus and plus or minus and minus. Right? When I have to subtract, I have two signs. Again minus, plus or plus minus. Right now? Remember this. When I have to add, जब मुझे ऐड करना है, when we want to add two terms, so we have these two signs, plus or minus minus. Right now, when we want to subtract, so I have minus plus minus. Remember this sign, huh? Now what I want two numbers. हमको ऐसे दो नंबर्स लेने हैं जो मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद आना चाहिए 2x स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टूड? क्या आना चाहिए? 2x स्क्वायर. और उन्हीं नंबर को when we will going to subtract or we will going to add, उन दो नंबर को अगर हम subtract करते हैं या हम add करते हैं, तो ये जो middle terms में जो terms है, that should to become. Understood? So for that we have to see these numbers are belonging to which table. ठीक है? हमको ये देखना होगा ये जो नंबर है वो कौन से टेबल्स को बिलोंग करता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो 2 इज बिलोंगिंग टू 1s are 2, 1 2s are 2. दैट्स ऑल. राइट नाउ, सो वी कैन टेक 2 1s are 2 here. We can take 2 1s are 2. I have taken the number first step. Let's check this number को अगर हमने माइनस किया, should I get the x? मुझे क्या करना है? माइनस करना है. Right? 2 minus 1 1 हो सकता है. If the variable having no number, that is 1. If the variable having no number, that is 1. Right now? So 2 1s are 2. Right? 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 1 1 हो सकता है. Right? First step हम we have done taken the number. Now second we have to take the variable. Which variable we have? X. So we will put x here. Let's see, x into x, x square हो सकता है obviously. And then when we get minus or plus, तो term same है x के, right? Now third term we have to take the sign. Now what you want to do? What we have in middle term, that sign first we have to use. तो हमारे पास मिडिल टर्म में जो है वो प्लस साइन है. कौन साइन है? प्लस. ये प्लस साइन सबसे पहला यू विल पुट टू द बिगर नंबर. बिगर नंबर इज 2. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हाट वी हैव इन द मिडिल टर्म, दैट साइन शुड बी फर्स्ट टू द बिगर नंबर. अंडरस्टूड? सो जो प्लस एक्स था वो हमने बिगर नंबर को दे दिया. नाउ आई हैव टू माइनस द सम है 2 minus 1 तभी तो 1 होगा. So if I have here plus, देखो मेरे पास दो साइन है. अगर एक प्लस है तो मेरे को दूसरी साइन कौन सी डालनी होगी? माइनस. So I have to put here minus. See, plus minus minus 2 minus 1 1. Right? Bigger number sign is same. Understood? Now here same thing we have to do. Solution. Now what do you want to do? What do you have the question here? That is 2x square plus x plus minus 1, right? Now what I am going to do, instead of middle term, इस middle term की जगह पर you have to take these two numbers what we have taken here. Understood? So 2x square plus 2x minus 1x minus 1. You can take 1 2s are also 2 1s are 2, but I have taken 2 1s are because when I will see first we have 3 terms. Now I had replaced the middle term instead of these two numbers, right? ना ये दो नंबर की जगह पे जो middle term था उसके बाद हमने ये दो नंबर लिखे. Now for that, see you can see we have the 4 terms. Before we have 3 terms, now we having 4 terms. Okay? Now that we have to take the common from two terms. Understood? Now what we want to take? We want to take the common of two terms. See 2 terms. Now what is common? Common means the both the terms having same terms. Both the terms having same number, same variable at least. Okay? So see, both the terms having 2, we can take 2 out. Both the terms having x, we can take x. Right? Now what we put in the bracket? 2x square था बेटा. क्या था? 2x square. 2x बाहर आ चुका है. So what the remaining part? x. Right? Plus sign is there. 2x completely out है तो बचेगा उस जगह पर 1. Don't write 0, हाँ? When 2x को अगर मैंने 2x से divide किया, so what the answer will going to come? 1. Understood? Which sign is there in between the third and fourth term? Minus sign. I had to put. Same thing we had to take the from third and fourth term also the common terms. What is that? 1. So what is remain inside? If 1x we have taken 1 out, so what is remain? X. Right? माइनस देखिए ये 4 टर्म का माइनस और ये टर्म का माइनस क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस माइनस प्लस. 1 डिवाइड बाय 1, the answer will be 1. 1 divided by 1, answer is 1. Now see, you can see we have 2 common bracket. Again we got 2 common bracket, x plus y. And what is outside the bracket, you should consider in one bracket. Understood? Understood? So this is the factor. You have to solve like this. This is a factor. Understood? Come. Now for next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 also. 2m square plus 5m minus 3. Here also we have to make this type of diagram. Right? Same diagram you have to make. Okay? Now, right here, middle term, I have plus 5m, right? I have to write the sign also, huh? Plus 5m. Now, first term will multiply with the last term. What I have first term? 2m square and last term 3. So, 2 3s are 6. 6m square. Now, I will see the 6 is belonging to how many tables. So, we can write here, see. 1 into 6, 6 1s are 6, right? 6 1s are 6. 1 6 are also 6, right? 2 3s are 6 और 3 2s are 6. All 6 कोई टेबल belonging है? No. Okay. Now what are we going to do? We can take any of this number. Okay? We can take any of this. But we have to check that whether we have to, we will take any of this number, we will got 6. When we multiply, we will got 6. But when we make subtraction or addition of that number, so I want 5m plus 5m. Remember this, plus 5m. Okay? See. Now I will check it. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6 and 6 minus 1 I got 5. Yes, 2 3s are 6. 2 plus 5 also 5. Let's check. First हम लोग 6 और 1 से चेक करते हैं. अगर हमारे पास 6 और 1 के फैक्टर्स प्रॉपर्ली नहीं आते, then we will go for the 2 3s are. ठीक है? We have to experiment. Actually, we have to practice the sums. Okay? So I had taken 6 1s are 6. I had selected the number. 6 1s are 6. The variable, second stage we have to put the variable, that is m we have, right? Third stage we have to put the sign. I have middle term plus sign. तो सबसे पहला plus sign वो will the bigger number. Plus sign कहाँ जाएगी? Bigger number में. Plus sign will go for the bigger number, right? I have to minus this sum ना. क्या करना है? 6 minus 1 करें तभी 5 आएगा, right? So मुझे क्या करना होगा? I have to minus this sum. So I have minus plus minus minus. 6 minus 1 5 and 6 1s are 6, m into m square, right? Come on. So now for that solution, that is 2m square plus 5m minus 3, so equals to, instead of 5m I will take this 2 number. Middle term you have to take this 2 number. Instead of middle term I have to take this 2 number, right? So plus 6m minus 1m minus 3. Done, student? Now what I am going to take? I am going to take common from this. जब हमारे पास ऐसे सिचुएशन आते हैं, then when we don't have these things same numbers, so we should take the smaller term. Every time we should take the smaller number. Understood? So should I take the 2 from here? मैं 2 ले सकती हूँ बाहर, या I can take the 2 and from both of the variable I can take one variable out, right? If 2m is come out, तो बचेगा अंदर क्या? m, right ना? फिर साइन कौन सी है बीच में? प्लस. You can see 6 will divide by 2. 6 will divide by 2. The answer is 3, right? Minus, see this one, 1m minus 3. 1m minus 3. So which number should we take from this? You can take 1, right? So अंदर क्या होगा? m माइनस माइनस क्या होगा बेटा? प्लस. अगर 3 को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो आंसर विल बी 3 only, right? We can see we got common bracket m plus 3, m plus 3 and one uncommon 2m minus 1, right? If I will take, see, if I will take 2m and 3m, so I have to put plus sign on both the number, right? We will put both the number, but when we put plus minus minus, तो आपका ये जो m plus 3 या m plus 3 जो ब्रैकेट होगा ना, उसमें कॉमन नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज साइन चेंज हो जाएगी. एक में प्लस साइन होगी और एक में माइनस साइन होगी. इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई वी हैड नॉट टेकन द 2m plus 3. The student you can practice it. आप प्रैक्टिस करके देख सकते हो क्या इशू आता है. ओके, so giving 2 minutes to see these sums fast, then we will go for the next. Do it fast बेटा. Done? Okay, now we go for the next question, students. Huh? Same question number 3. What is the question number 3 is given to you? See this. Question number 3. You have to put the same question number. Huh, student? Don't change the number. Question number 3. What is that? 12x square plus 61x plus 77. Sir, student, we can do one thing. We can see we have 3 terms. Should I take any common number from out? ऐसा कभी हो सकता है. Case will also come कि हम इनमें से common numbers भी बाहर ले सकते हैं. But see situation के आपके पास उस common numbers होने ही चाहिए. So we can't take the common numbers from this. ठीक है? So same rule we can go. First term multiply by last term. Make first that this figure out. Okay? पहले हम इसे figure बना देते हैं. 12 into 77. 7 2s are 14. 1 carry 7 2s are 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8. Same thing. 9 24. Okay? And middle term I want 61x. क्या चाहिए मुझे 61x. Now student, what are we going to do? See, now it is very difficult. Now that is very difficult to take two numbers and that number should be multiplied. We got answer 924. And उसी numbers को minus plus क्या 61. Now in case what we going to do? You have might be you have go for this prime factor. याद है आपको? ये आपको help करेगा to select the number. Okay? So what is that? 924. Can we go for the 2? Okay? 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Right? Should I go for the 3? 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 3 7s are 21. Then I have got to for the 11, 11 7s are 7 1s are. Right? This is the prime factor. Right? This is the prime factor. Now let me check what we can do. See, I want 61. आप इनमें से किसी को भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, you will get 924. Right now, if we will multiply any of this number, we will get 924. But हमको concentrate क्या करना है? I have to concentrate on 61. मुझे ऐसे numbers plus minus करने के बाद 61 I want that. So 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Okay. 3 11s are 33. Let me check इनको plus करेगा क्या आंसर आएगा? 8 9 10 11 1 carry. Right? So we can take now 28 33s are. So I have take 28 33s are. I have select this two number. I have to put x on both the numbers. Okay? I want plus sign और मुझे इन दोनों को plus करना है. So I should put plus only ना. Plus क्या बन जाएगा? Plus. So this is the type of method practice you have to do. समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट? चलो. Okay. So I will go for here now. That is solution I can take. I have 12x square plus 61x plus 77. So 12x square 61. Instead of 61 I will take 28 plus 33x plus 77. Okay. Now I will take common of this from this. मैंने पहले select कर दिया दोनों terms. ठीक है? Common. Now 12 will not divide completely 28 and 28 भी 12 को divide नहीं करेगा. Now I should take that number out which is very easy. दोनों में से common हम ले सकते हैं. 12 and 20 is belonging to table of 4, right? So I can take common of 4 from that variable x. If I will divide 12 by 4, so I will get answer 3. 12x square था, एक x बाहर एक x अंदर जाएगा तो 4 3s are 12, x into x square, right? Plus again 28 will divide by 4, the answer is 7. x already बाहर है तो x plus 3, x plus 3x plus 7. Now I have plus sign in middle of. I will going to take out 11. Okay, I will take 11 out. So what I got here? 3x, right now? 33 will divide by 11. I got 3x. And 77 will divide by 11. I got 7. So I got the common bracket, right? What is that? 3x plus 7 and uncommon 4x plus 11. So that is your factor. Understood? Come on. Now we will go for the question number 4. Okay, same thing, we have to draw this diagram like this. What is that? First time 3y square will multiply the 1. 3 ones are 3, right? And here middle term I want minus 2y. So it is easy now. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 1 I got here 2. So I will put here minus sign. Is it easy? है ना? You can see it. I had put the variable, then I want to put sign. I want middle term minus. So first we had to put minus sign on bigger number and plus sign on smaller number. Okay? Because minus plus minus. 3 minus 1 will be 2. And 3 ones are 3. Y into y, y square. So 3y square minus 2y minus 1 equals to 3y square minus 3y plus 1y minus 1. Now what I will write? I will take common from this. I have taken y here. Okay, क्या किया हमने? y ले लिया है बाहर. So I have taken 3 out and y out. So inside I get y. Sign कौन सी है? Minus 3y पूरा बाहर है तो क्या बचेगा वहाँ पर? 1. Then we have plus sign. We have 1 in between of. So what I taken? I remaining y minus plus minus 1 will divide by 1. I will got 1 only. So see, we can see 1 minus 5. We have 2 times. We can take 1 time. And what we have uncommon 3y plus 1. So that is your factor. Understood? Again I am repeating. We have 6 sums in that. You have to practice all 6 sums. As very most important question. Very much most important question. Okay? Practice it. Come on, give me 2 minutes to see. Fast. Okay, hope students all are getting. Shall I start the next question? Question number 4. See, These two questions are as challenging question for you, but it is very easy. आपको सिर्फ समझना है, लॉजिक यूज करनी है. Okay, use your logic for that. Okay. See. Now question number 5. What is that question number 5? Root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3. So student, again we have to draw the figure here. Okay. Yeah. Root 3. First I will write middle term plus 4x. Root 3x square multiply with the root 3x square. मैं यहाँ लिख देती हूँ. Root 3x square will multiply with the root 3. So student, what you got? You have learned already in the real numbers, chapter number 2. Already you have learned when we have same sign of order and radicand are same. And we have multiplication, so we will take only and only the radicand, है ना? तो हम लोग क्या लेंगे यहाँ पर 3 और वेरिएबल x square. Understood? This type of question you already learn in the real number. When we have same sign of order, see here, 3x square will multiply with the root 3. See, 3 root 3 are same. I have to multiply. What I have to do? Multiplication. So 3 3s are 9. So I got root 9. और root 9 का square root क्या होगा? 3. That is the one more pattern you can go. And you know the rule of very well. When we have same sign of order and same radicand, तो हम लोग C for C क्या लेंगे? एक radicand लेंगे. So I have taken 3x square. Understood? Now easy, very easy ना? मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो, we want 3 और प्लस माइनस करने के बाद we want 4. So that is very easy. Which number should we take? See, 3 1s are 3. x I want plus sign here. तो यहाँ पर भी प्लस होना चाहिए क्योंकि प्लस प्लस क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस 3 plus 1 we will got 4. Right? 3 1s are 3. X into x square. Understood? I got the factors. Now I will replace the solution. Question I have. See, question मुझे अच्छे से देखो यहाँ पर root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3. यहाँ पर root 3x square instead of 4x we will take these two numbers plus 3x plus 1x. आपका last term as it is. Now I will take the common from this. क्या लेंगे हम लोग? Common. Now see here. What should I take? देखो अच्छे से. I will take root 3x. अब आप बोलोगे मिस यहाँ तो root नहीं है. See what I am doing here properly. The rules and the methods are same. The sign of order, the radicand. Just you have go for the surd. The rule of surd. Okay, आप rule of surd पे आप concentrate करो. Understood? So see, I have taken common of root 3x. So क्या बचेगा यहाँ पर? x plus. अब मुझे बताओ when I will multiply, मैंने यहाँ पर ले लिया root 3. देखो अच्छे से. अब आप बोलोगे मिस root 3 और root 3 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो we will get only the radicand, है ना? साइन ऑफ ऑर्डर से मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो हम क्या लेंगे? C for C radicand. Understood? हमने root 3 और आउट ले लिया है. अंदर भी root 3 लिखा है because root 3 मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो 3x मिलेगा. ठीक है? इनमें से कॉमन आई हैव टेकिंग 1 आउट. ठीक है? सो व्हाट इज x प्लस रूट 3 को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे यू विल गेट रूट 3 ओनली. सी फॉर दिस वी विल गेट द सेम कॉमन ब्रैकेट x प्लस रूट 3 और यहाँ पर है रूट 3x प्लस 1. सो दैट इज योर फैक्टर. अंडरस्टूड? ये सब प्रैक्टिस करो बहुत बार. ये सब क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 कि थोड़ा सा आपके लिए डिफिकल्ट होगा बट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट. जस्ट सी, आई विल गिव यू टाइम टू राइट. जस्ट सी दिस सम फर्स्ट. Okay student, done. Now for this I want the full board, so I will rub that board for you. Okay beta. Question number 6. What is the question number 6 we have? 1 upon 2x square minus 3x plus 4. Same thing we go for that. मैं यहाँ थोड़ा सा कर रही हूँ आपके लिए, थोड़ा सा दूर, क्योंकि we have to with the term minus 3x. See, first term multiply with the last term. So first term 1 upon 2x square will multiply with the 4. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, तो यहाँ लिख देते हैं 1 upon 2x square will multiply with the 4. See क्या होगा, multiplication है, we can easily cancel the number, right? So here 2 1s are 2 2s are, so 2 into x we got 2x square. Understood? Now I can take 2 1s are 2. See, I can take 2 1s are 2. Variable I put x, bigger number sign I want minus. I will put minus here and I will put minus here also. Why? See, 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 और 2 plus 1 3. इसीलिए माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस. अंडरस्टूड? माइनस माइनस प्लस, 2 plus 1 3. So I have taken minus 2x minus 1x. Understood? So now I will replace this thing. That is 1 upon 2x square minus 3x plus 4. ये क्वेश्चन है. So 1 upon 2x square, instead of minus 3 I will take minus 2x minus 1x minus 4. Right? Now I will take common from this. Right student? So now what I am doing here, I will take common from this. What I will take common, 1 upon 2x. ठीक है, अब देखो 1 upon 2x में से 1 upon x बाहर आ गया, तो अंदर क्या बचेगा, x. साइन किसकी है, माइनस. नाउ स्टूडेंट व्हाट हैपन हियर, 1 upon 2x will divide by 2 है ना, डिवाइड ही करना है ना. डिवाइड में क्या होगा, रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. यू नो वेरी वेल ना, क्या हो जाएगा, रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. सो 1 upon 2 upon 1 will multiply with the 2 1 upon 2. So 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 2. So I got here 4. Understood? माइनस, देखिए यहाँ पर कॉमन हमने क्या ले लिया, आई विल टेक ओनली x, तो अंदर क्या बचा 1, और यू कैन टेक 1 आउट, तो अंदर क्या बचेगा x प्लस माइनस माइनस 4 डिवाइड बाय, राइट. सो दिस इज योर डिवीजन. देखो एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ मैं. 1 upon 2 will divide with the 2. या ऐसा लिखो 2 will divide by 1 upon 2. ये भी कर सकते हैं आप लोग. सो 1 upon 2, ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है यहाँ पर आके क्या हो जाएगा, वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो 2 will multiply with the 2, आंसर will be 4. अंडरस्टूड? या फिर ऐसा भी आप कर सकते हैं, 1 upon 2 को डिवाइड करना है 2 से, तो क्या हो जाएगा, 1 upon 2 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा, डिवाइड का रेसिप्रोकल मल्टीप्लिकेशन, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर में. सो 1 upon 4 आ जाएगा. 1 डिवाइड करेंगे 1 से कैंसिल होगा, तो बचा क्या, 4. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशन यू कैन डू. अंडरस्टूड? सो कैन नाउ आई गेट x minus 4 and next 1 upon 2x minus 1. So that is my factor. Understood? So this sum you have, the 6 sums is very important, you have to practice the sums. So now question number 2 we have, in that question number 5 6 7 is omitted. We have 4 questions to solve, and again these 4 questions are very most important question for you. So students, just practice the sums. Okay, complete your book. By the time, take care. Allah Hafiz.